You know what separates the creators who eat from the ones who starve? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's knowing what's coming.
See? That's exactly what's about to happen to every creator who ignores what I'm about to show you. Except you won't see the punch coming. "48 hours. That's how long you have before the biggest shift in EI video drops. And I'm going to tell you exactly what's coming before the rest of the world wakes up."
3 weeks ago, I generated a 15-second AI video that would have been impossible 6 months ago. Not difficult, impossible. And in 48 hours, the tool that made it possible is about to get 10 times more powerful. This isn't hype. This is the moment AI video crosses from cool experiment to industry threat. And most creators have no idea it's happening. Let me show you what's about to change everything. My name is JP, and for the last 8 months, I've been documenting the AI video revolution. Not the clickbait stuff, the real technical shifts that separate creators who adapt from creators who disappear. And right now, we're standing at the edge of the biggest leap I've seen yet. This is Higgsfield, a platform most people haven't heard of yet, but that's already given creators access to the most advanced AI video models on the planet. Kling 2.0, Kling Omni, motion control, all in one place. But here's where it gets interesting. Every signal we're seeing, platform behavior, feature rollouts, community chatter, points to one thing. Kling 3.0 is about to drop. And it's not just an update, it's a consolidation event. Let me break down what that actually means. I'm going to walk you through the public signals that tell us exactly what Kling 3.0 is building toward. And I'm using real sources, not speculation. First, Higgsfield published this analysis breaking down what Kling 3.0 likely represents. And the language here is critical. Look at this. They're not talking about incremental improvements. They're talking about architectural convergence. Instead of multiple tools doing separate jobs, Kling 3.0 is positioning as a single, unified video generation system. That means one model that handles generation, transformation, editing, and refinement, without you jumping between tools or stitching clips manually. That's not a feature update. That's a paradigm shift. Then there's this. Higgsfield's official X account dropped this teaser, and if you know how to read between the lines, it's basically confirming what the community's been predicting. Notice the language. Next-gen generation quality, unified workflow, production-ready outputs. That's not marketing fluff, that's positioning. They're telling us this is professional-grade infrastructure. And then you've got the Reddit community dissecting every detail. Look at this thread. Creators are connecting dots. They're seeing the progression from Kling 2.6's native audio to Omni's multimodal reasoning to motion control's physics handling. And they're realizing these aren't separate features. They're building blocks for Kling 3.0. This is how you identify actual innovation versus vaporware. Watch what people who know the tech are saying. So what are we actually expecting? Let's talk specifics. Native 4K at 60 frames per second. Current cap is 1080p. That's a massive leap for broadcast quality content. Regional inpainting. Edit specific parts of your video without regenerating the whole clip. That's AI video editing, not just generation. 15-second plus clips with character consistency. Right now, keeping a character visually stable past 10 seconds is a gamble. Kling 3.0 is aiming to solve that. Custom multi-shot sequences. This is where it gets cinematic. Structured scenes with camera movement, pacing, and narrative flow, controlled by your prompt, not random generation. If even half of this lands, we're looking at the first AI video tool that can genuinely compete with traditional production workflows for certain use cases. So, why does this matter beyond the tech specs? Because this is the moment AI video stops being a toy and starts being a tool. Right now, brands, solo creators, small studios, they're all experimenting, but they're hitting walls. Consistency breaks, physics glitch, editing takes forever. The ROI isn't there yet. Kling 3.0 is designed to solve those friction points. And here's the part most people miss. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about collapsing timelines. A 30-second product demo that used to take a production team 2 days and $5,000, You might be able to generate that in 20 minutes for 50 bucks. An educational explainer with custom visuals? Done before lunch. A social media content calendar for a month? Batch generated in an afternoon. The creators who understand this aren't asking, can AI replace me? They're asking, how fast can I learn this before everyone else does? So here's why I'm paying attention to Higgsfield specifically. 1. They're model agnostic. You get access to Kling 2.6, Kling Omni, motion control, all the current state-of-the-art models in one interface. No platform hopping. 2. They're positioning for early access. When Kling 3.0 drops, Higgsfield users will likely be first in line. That's not speculation. That's how their rollout pattern works. 3. Their mission is creator first. Look at their UI. This is designed for people who make things, not engineers debugging code. And full transparency, this isn't sponsored hype. I'm covering this because I genuinely think this platform is positioning to be the Figma of AI video. The tool that becomes industry standard because it just works better. So here's what I recommend. If you're a creator, marketer, or content producer, you need to be watching this space right now. Not next month, not when it's ready, now. Because early adoption in AI isn't about being first, it's about building skill before the curve flattens. Higgsfield has a Kling 3.0 early access waitlist. I've dropped the link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to experiment with this before it becomes mainstream, that's your entry point. And if you want the full breakdown of what we're expecting, the technical deep dive, the community signals, all of it, Higgsfield published a blog post walking through everything, also linked below. Look, I don't know if Kling 3.0 will deliver on every expectation. No model ever does. But the direction is undeniable. And the gap between people who see this coming and people who don't, that gap is about to become a canyon. I'll be covering the official Kling 3.0 launch the moment it drops. Full feature walkthrough, real-world tests, workflow breakdowns, the whole thing. But for now, I want to hear from you. Are you already using AI video in your work? Are you skeptical, curious, overwhelmed? Drop a comment. Let's talk. Because this technology moves fast, but the conversations around it, those are what actually matter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.